This is a power button replacement for Samsung A10. I'm not replacing the complete flex. I just want to replace one of the button. This button is inactive, so I want to replace it with another one. The button is just 2 points, not the 4 points button. So what I'll do is, this is the power, this is the volume up, this is the volume up rather, this is the volume down. So I'm replacing this very one. My solder iron is heated already, so I'll be able to desolder this button. I'll be able to desolder this with the help of my solder iron. It's desoldered already. This is the positive, this is the negative point. So I'm picking that kind of button, the exact kind of button from another flex. I'm picking it from another flex. I think this should be a Gioni flex. I'm picking it from another flex. Okay, I've desoldered it from another flex, so I'm going to use it on the Samsung. I'm going to see it in Samsung. It's kind of magnetic, so you need time to. It's kind of magnetic. If that's not working, I can decide to use my soldering iron to solder it directly. Okay, use my soldering iron to solder directly. The first point is soldered to the button. The second point too is soldered to the button. To make it fair, maybe I'll just add some bits of lead. I'll add another one to this one. That's all. The button is replaced in the cut.